From fresh farm star fruits to crispy chips you love, let's see how star fruit chips are made. Here on the farm, star fruits ripen under the warm sun, ready to be harvested.
Workers gently pick each star fruit, ensuring only the best ones are chosen.
Clean water washes away dirt and impurities from the fruits.
The fruits are collected in baskets, each one handled with care.
Next, the star fruits are sorted for size and quality, making sure only perfect fruits move forward.
Next, the crates are loaded onto trucks carefully, ensuring no fruit gets damaged.
The crates are securely loaded, and the truck doors are closed, ready to transport the fresh star fruit. Finally, the truck arrives at the factory, where the transformation begins.
Okay, grab the pallet jack. We can start from this side.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Manifest shows 150 crates for this shipment.
Labels match. We are clear to load.
Each crate is weighed accurately to track inventory and ensure quality control.
Workers inspect each crate, making sure only high-quality fruits are accepted. After washing, the clean star fruits move toward the slicing section. Inside the drying tunnel, star fruit slices begin losing excess moisture. Temperature and humidity are carefully controlled to protect the star fruit slices.
Workers constantly monitor the drying process to ensure consistency.
Careful control ensures the star fruit slices fry evenly without burning.
Special conveyors remove any remaining oil from the star fruit chips.
A special flavor blend is added to enhance the star fruit chips. The seasoned star fruit chips are cooled before packaging.
Now, the star fruit chips are ready for packaging.
Each star fruit chips packet is securely heat sealed.
Each box is filled with neatly arranged Star Fruit Chips packets.
Shipping labels are applied to every Star Fruit Chips box.
Is that the starfruit order for the city?
Yeah, stack it tight against the back wall.
Okay, push it in.
All right, latching my side.
The truck begins its journey, delivering Star Fruit Chips to stores. The Star Fruit Chips travel safely toward their final destination.